Ahead of US President Barack Obama's visit, the city of Taj has turned into a fortress. Over 4,000 security personnel have deployed in Agra, along with 100 US security men stationed to monitor the arrangements. Now, first time the UP police have been given a go-ahead to hire helicopter for aerial surveillance during Obama's stay.
Tight security arrangements put in place ahead of US President Barack Obama's visit to Agra on January 27th. In a meeting chaired by DGP A.K. Gupta, UP police top officers took a view of the security preparations on Wednesday. While the basic measures have been worked out for Obama's trip, focus will now be shifting onto the finer security blueprint.
अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति प्रेसिडेंट बराक ओबामा की संभावित आगरा यात्रा के सिलसिले में एक तैयारी नुमा एक मीटिंग हमने ली है। उसमें कौन सा रूट से उनको ले जाया जाएगा, कौन से गेट से ले जाया जाएगा, इस पर चर्चा हुई है। अभी कोई चीज़ फाइनलाइज नहीं हुई है।
In an unprecedented move, UP government has authorized police to hire a helicopter to assist in air security. After landing in Agra on 27th January by Air Force One, President Obama is likely to take road route to the Taj Mahal, with CCTV cameras installed along the stretch and Pawan Hunt's helicopter to provide aerial surveillance, while commandos will be stationed along the route on the buildings.
बाकी कोऑर्डिनेटिंग डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं स्थानीय स्तर पर उनकी एक कोऑर्डिनेशन मीटिंग थी जो आयुक्त आगरा द्वारा बुलाई गई थी। उसी में उनके दौरे को लेकर कुछ चर्चाएं हुई हैं और सुरक्षा का कुछ योजनाएं तैयार की गई हैं।
City of Taj will turn into fortress with over 4,000 Indian security personnel deployed on January 27th, including 100 US security personnel and the advanced US team which already has arrived in Agra to fine-tune the security. With Arvind Sharma in Agra, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.